Clove water benefits for women. Drink it for 3 days after your period. Drinking clove water for just 3 days after your period supports your body in several ways, especially as a woman between the age of 18 to 60 and even above. After sharing my video about clove water changed my skin in 7 days, I discovered a lot of men don't know clove water benefits for women. One of the benefits surprised me, and I will tell you what it is in a moment. In this video, I'm going to show you clove water benefit for women, how it can affect your hormones, your skin, your energy, your hair, nails, mood, and even your overall well-being. But there's a right way to do it, how to prepare it, when to take it. So make sure you watch every part of this video because it is very important. Benefit number 1, hormonal balance. Clove water contains natural bioactive compounds that support hormonal balance by reducing inflammation, managing oxidative stress, and regulating insulin levels, which directly affects sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone. We are talking about key compounds like eugenol, which is a potent antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory agent. It helps regulate androgen levels and support metabolic balance, particularly in conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. This plant-based antioxidant combats oxidative stress, which can impair hormone production and cause infertility. Let's talk about insulin regulation. Clove compounds improve insulin sensitivity and manage blood sugar, which is crucial for hormone regulation. Let's talk about liver support. Clove water supports liver detoxification, where excess hormones are metabolized. However, while these compounds offer support, it should not replace professional medical treatment for hormonal balance. The reason I say most of these things here is because sometimes you have conditions you are not even aware of. Sometimes the conditions are not severe. Sometimes the conditions hospitals don't even know. When you take clove water, it helps to, heal most of these things even before it grows bigger. Clove water is like preventive measures for things that would have come. Taking it regularly, it helps. But when you have a visible condition, please seek medical advice. Sometimes even when you're getting professional help, when you're taking clove water, it helps to speed up the process. After your period, your body is basically resetting and preparing for your next cycle. Drinking clove water for those 3 days after your period helps support that process. Benefit number 2. Clove water reduces bloating and support digestion. If you sometimes feel bloated or uncomfortable after your period, I say this with a smile because I'm one of those people, but clove water has improved the condition so much that it's not even there anymore. Clove water helps support your gut health and digestion. Clove water helps relax and support better digestion. And as I mentioned in my previous video, when your gut is happy, your skin is happy, and your overall well-being improved too. Benefit number 3, and this is actually the benefit that shocked me the most. Skin. Clove will so beautify your skin. Look at my skin. 99% of my videos, I do them without makeup, without filters. Clove water clears acne and pimples. Clove is rich in antioxidants that fight acne and pimples. The antibacterial properties in clove, like eugenol, help kill acne-causing bacteria. The same antioxidants and antibacterial properties help reduce inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effect helps soothe redness, swelling, and irritation associated with acne, pimples, and other skin conditions. The antioxidant in clove water also combats signs of aging, like fighting free radicals that cause oxidative stress and premature aging. This antioxidant also promotes clear skin and even skin tone. Because of its detox ability, clove water also boosts elasticity and hydration. My previous video explained more about the skin benefit of clove water, so you can also check that out. Benefit number 4, energy and well-being. Another one of the powerful clove water benefit for women is how it supports your overall well-being. After your period, some women feel tired or low energy. Yes, that is some hormones playing games with your body because your body just went through a lot. So drinking clove water for those 3 days help refresh, soothe, and lift your mood. Now let me show you how to make clove water, because it's not like I did it in my previous video. Let me show you how to make clove water for this particular reason. Clove water benefit for women. How you take it is different, how you make it is different. Welcome to Rachel Etta Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. I have here 21 cloves. When you are selecting your cloves for your clove water, you have to get the one that still has the pot. Are you seeing that pot? Because there are some ones that pot has fallen off. In fact, let me show you what I'm talking about. Yes, this is not the one you use. Now, when you buy your clothes in the market or in the spice shop, some are going to come like this. Don't fight the person that sold it. Just select the ones that has pot. That's all. So I pour that into a container and I put in hot water. Please use a container that has lid so the good stuff don't escape. We'll let this for 24 hours. 24 hours later, look at what it's looking like. Golden honey. So now I'm going to filter it. To be honest, the reason I'm filtering it is because of this video. Normally, I leave it there and take portions that I want to take at that time and leave the clothes inside. Remember, this is for 3 days. I made the whole 3 days. If you're going to do for just 1 day, use 7 clothes. Please don't use more than 7 clothes. Store the rest in your fridge, please. So you drink this on an empty stomach immediately after your period. Let's say you just discover your period has finished today. Soak the clove water today. You take it on an empty stomach. You will wait 1 hour for your body to take it in and use it before you eat. Cheers. You drink this for 3 days. So after you drink that one, you soak another one. You drink that one, you soak another one. If you're going to go through that route. Or you can just do it the route the way I did it, where I put 21 cloves and share it into 3 equal parts. And then you take it. Personally, I drink clove water 5 to 7 days a week. So you can continue, but you shouldn't do it less than 3 days if you want that real effect. I remember growing up, I would see the women around me after their period. After their period, you see them, they will be taking cloves. They'll be saying womb cleansing. Now that I'm old enough to, do research, understand it, test it, now understand what it is. I understand where they were coming from their own point of view. Just a quick recap. Remember, drinking clove water for 3 days after your period helps support hormonal balance, digestion, skin health, improve your energy and your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, help me know in the comment section. Have you tried clove water before? And if you haven't, watch my video about clove water changed my skin in 7 days. You definitely want to check that one next. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.